Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix backslash toggle in Roblox. This issue usually happens when UI navigation is enabled, causing your keyboard keys to control the interface instead of your character. When this is turned on, pressing movement keys like W, A, S, and D will move you through UI elements instead of moving your character in the game. To fix this, press the escape key on your keyboard or click on the Roblox icon at the top left, just like so. After that, go to the Help tab. Inside the Help section, look for the Miscellaneous category. This will show you the key used to enable or disable UI navigation. In most cases, this key is the backslash key, but it may vary depending on your setup. Once you know the key, close the menu and return to the game. Now press the UI selection toggle key once, just like so. This will turn off UI navigation mode. You should now be able to move your character normally again. If the issue appears again, simply press the same key to toggle it on or off. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the backslash toggle issue in Roblox by identifying and using the UI selection toggle key. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Stack tutorial video.